How persuasive is legal brief writing in appellate court? How persuasive is legal brief writing in appellate court? This question gets to the heart of how decisions are made in these important legal settings. Legal briefs are the backbone of the appellate process. Appellate judges relying heavily on these written documents to grasp the legal issues at hand, the relevant facts, and the arguments for why a lower court's decision should be either upheld or reversed. Unlike trial courts, appellate courts do not re-examine evidence or hear witnesses. Their focus is on reviewing whether any legal errors were made. Because of this, the quality and clarity of an appellate brief can greatly affect how judges understand the case and ultimately decide it. In an appellate courtroom, the brief serves as the foundation for the court's written opinion. It must clearly outline the alleged legal errors, explain their significance, and show how they impacted the case's outcome. Effective briefs usually concentrate on one or two key legal errors. This approach helps judges quickly grasp the main argument and minimizes confusion. The organization of the brief is also essential. Using headings and logical progression allows judges to navigate complex legal reasoning more efficiently, which is vital given their heavy workload. Beyond the immediate case, appellate briefs can have a broader impact. They can frame the dispute within a larger legal context, influencing whether a higher court will agree to review the case or how future cases might be decided. Presenting facts accurately and fairly is critical, as appellate judges evaluate both the legal and factual records under specific standards of review. In terms of courtroom settings, the environment in appellate courtrooms emphasizes written advocacy over oral argument. When oral arguments are permitted, they are usually brief and do not replace the need for a well-crafted brief. Therefore, the brief must be persuasive enough to stand alone, effectively guiding judges through the reasoning behind the decision. Successful appellate brief writing involves several key practices. First, it is important to pinpoint the exact legal errors and explain their impact on the case outcome. Next, the argument should be well organized with clear headings and smooth transitions. Using straightforward language helps avoid unnecessary complexity. It is also essential to accurately state the facts to build credibility. Anticipating opposing arguments and distinguishing relevant case law can strengthen the brief. Finally, rigorous editing ensures that every word contributes to the overall persuasion. Overall, legal brief writing in appellate courts is a primary means of persuasion. Its effectiveness can determine whether a case is reversed, remanded, or affirmed, making it a vital skill in appellate advocacy and a defining aspect of appellate courtroom dynamics.